Please understand. Introduce yourself.
I am Mulli Dikroy and I am from Balangir. I have done my post-graduation from IGNOU University and completed my integrated BA from Ravenshaw University. I have done my 10th and 12th from KB Balangir.
Okay, your post-graduation is in which subject?
Which is in English.
It is in English. So, who motivated you for OABS?
I have been doing my studies for the teaching jobs recently since the past 1 year. And as teaching as a career, I was inspired by my long line of family who have been in the teaching job. And OABA has a nice motto of itself, that is to inspire and empower. And it is for the talented students who are in the semi-urban and rural areas. So, because I could resonate with the motto and this motto and message, that's why I chose OABS.
In 2 points, can you explain or can you state how OABS is different from others?
OABS in Odisha, it is a new initiative that started in 2016 by the Odisha government. Compared to other high schools, it is different because it is for the meritorious students and it has a CBSE curriculum. And compared to other schools such as KB and JMV, it is for the poor students with not so affluent background.
So, can you just tell us about some important schemes, especially in the field of education, mostly which have been undertaken for our underprivileged students?
In high schools, there is a scholarship event going on, that is Hare Krishna Mehta. I am forgetting the name, I don't remember. Then there is in class 10th and 12th, the meritorious students are given laptops and bicycles, etc. Then there is a midday meal scheme that is going on, and many scholarship exams as well as such as NTS, NRTS, etc. And that's it.
So, have you read any of the famous books of Robert Frost? William Wordsworth? Not read. Okay. Can you tell us what is an allegory?
My subject is not English.
Okay, your subject is social science.
Yes.
So, in social science, it consists of several subjects. So, which one is the best one, or which one is something that you prefer the most?
I am comfortable in teaching all the subjects of social science, those are history, geography, political science and economics. However, I am most comfortable in teaching geography.
In teaching geography. Okay. Who is the geologist?
Geologist is a person who studies the rocks and minerals that are available on the earth for the time scale where it was formed and different structures that are available on the earth. Those are studied by the geologist.
Can you tell us what are currently the 7 wonders of the world?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know all of them.
Okay.
In India, it is Taj Mahal. Then there is Machu Picchu. Then I don't know the rest.
Then, currently, which one is the largest? You know about this. Can you tell us what are the highest mountain peaks of Africa continent?
No.
Okay. What about Asia?
Yes, ma'am. In Asia, we have the highest peak, that is Mount Everest. Then we have Kanchenjunga, Karakoram, and I don't know.
Do you have any idea about the savanna grasslands?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is its speciality or how they are different from others?
Yes, ma'am. Savanna grasslands are found in Australia, and those are in this tropical region, and it is home for many of the marsupial animals that are available there.
What is El Nino effect?
So El Nino effect is a part of the El Nino southern oscillation which happens in the Pacific and Indian Ocean. it is a graduate shift that takes place within 2 to 7 years. It is not predictable, but it affects the monsoon that occurs in India.
Then what is global warming? How it is related to global warming?
So ENSO is an effect that has been in existence since long. It is not an effect of global warming, but somehow the temperature also affects it. Global warming is the phenomenon where the Earth warms more than it accepts the insolation and radiates.
Which gases are called as the global warming gases?
So they are called the greenhouse gases. Some examples of greenhouse gases will be carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide.
Okay, nitrogen oxide. Carbon monoxide?
It is a minute.
Contributing.
Okay. Tell me, you love to take classes in geography. What is the geographical boundaries of Odisha?
Is in latitude longitude.
Okay, you prepared for the Odisha?
Yes, sir.
You are from Balangir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the geographical boundaries of Balangir.
Yes, sir. So it is located, the center point of Balangir is located at 20 degree north and 82 degree east latitude longitudes. And Balangir is bound on the northwest side by Ganga mountain hills, on the northeast side by Mahanadi hilly slopes, and on the southeastern side it is by Tail River.
Do you prefer anything for the class?
Yes,
What's your subject?
it's a geography.
Geography. Which topic do you prefer to take classes?
Sit inside our
In career.
So should I assume you as students?
Yes.
Good morning, students. So would you help me with the date today? What is it? Okay. So today's topic, before we started, can you tell me what do we find when we dig inside the earth? Okay, yes, it is. We only find mud. If we dig deeper, then we will find water. We know that it is the water table. If we dig even deeper, then what do we find? Okay, you don't know. So today we will be comparing what is the structure inside of Earth with an egg. Okay, I'll write the topic here. Have you seen a boiled egg? The structure you would know, it is like this. The first structure is a breaking shell, that is the shell layer. Then we find the albumin, which is a jelly-like structure, and in the center there is yolk, which is a solid structure. Okay. Similar to this, our inside of Earth is also made like this. The outer breakable shell, it is on the Earth it is called as crust. Then if we go even deeper, then there is the mantle, which is comparable to the albumin, and in the center there is core. Okay. So now we will read about the structures, what it is made up of, and what else are the specifications. Okay.
Okay. Okay. How the cyclones are named?
So cyclones are named by the countries nearing which the cyclone is originated. The recent phenomenons, I can't see.
Okay. When a cyclone is called a super cyclone?
So the cyclones are categorized according to the speeds that they gather. In the Indian Ocean region, that is Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, the cyclones are of tropical nature. So there is a mark of speed of wind that had the cyclone gathers, after which it can be called as super cyclone or normal cyclone.
What do you mean by eye of cyclone?
So it is the center point of the cyclone, which is the low pressure area, surrounding which is the high pressure area. So
That is good. Eye of the cyclone. Okay. Why the eye of the cyclone is dangerous?
so because it is the low pressure area, the surrounding high pressure winds come to that place. So it is dangerous to be close by the eye of the cyclone. The rest of the area, the winds will come from there, and in the center it is accumulated. So the wind speed is highest inside the eye of cyclone.
Suppose you will got selected in the OES. What will you do?
Sir, I would like to continue as a teacher because teaching has been my priority since past 1 year.
But if you got selected in the OES, you will get both the opportunity, as an administrative opportunity as well as the teaching opportunity. And again the high salary package. Then why you are not gone for the upper level?
Sir, currently I don't have the qualifications required for the OES, but I also don't have any plan to join other institutions apart from OES.
Okay. Suppose you are got selected in the KVS,
Sir, I have no plan to go outside of this.
don't have any plan to go outside of this. But suppose you are posted in the remote areas of Malkanagiri in OAVS. It is nearer to Andhra Pradesh.
Yes. Sir, it is near, it is not outside. There is a feeling that I have.
But which is better? You are posted in Malkanagiri and you are posted in Hyderabad. Then which is better one?
Sir, obviously Hyderabad is better, but I don't have any problem per se in being in Bangalore.
Okay. Who is the Education Minister of Odisha?
Sir, the Minister of SME is Dr. Sudha Marathi.
And higher education?
Sir, I don't remember. I have to contact
Who is the Education Minister of India?
him. Sir, I will have to do a
What are the changes made in NEP?
Yes, sir. The structure of the schooling that was previously 10+2 has been modified to 5+3+3+4. Then the NEP gives for ECCE, that is elementary childhood care, and I can't remember the rest. Elementary childhood care and education. Then there is a academic bank of credit that has been developed under NEP, through which the students can pursue their higher education even at time, even if they have a gap in between.
Okay. Which is better one? NEP is better or the previous educational system is better?
So the NEP has been brought out because there were some flaws in the previous education policy. So to be at par with the global standards, that's why NEP was brought. So I would say it is better.
Which is better, CBSE or ICSE?
Sir, I have no much knowledge about ICSE, but I have heard that it has better books, but I don't know about the education system.
Okay. How many OABS are in Odisha?
So 314, one in each block.
Each block. What is the iconic OABS?
Sir, iconic OAB is a OAB located in Bhubaneswar. That is for the top meritorious students from all the OABs. It provides opportunity to those students to appear in JEE and NEET.
Suppose you are posted in a OABS and the student in your class a little bit of poor in English. It's a CBSE schools, but the people are little bit of poor in English. They do not understand the English. Then how can you communicate with them?
So, Mr. Gandhi has said that you have to use mother tongue as a medium of teaching. So, mother tongue usage can be permissible in places where students are not very familiar with English. However, because the OAB has a guideline of teaching in English, I would like to incorporate within the mother tongue English as well.
Mother tongue. Okay. Tell me, which methodology you follow in your teaching?
So, for planning the lessons, I use 5E and ICON models. And for teaching, I use discussion, project method, source method.
Which is better for the for the little bit of poor in study.
So for planning, it is better if we go with 5E for students of all categories. If the students are higher in IQ, then I would prefer using icon.
Icon model. Okay. Who is your icon?
So,
You don't have any icon?
I have not heard.
Okay. Ma'am.
So can you tell us exactly which soil is best suited for cotton cultivation?
This one, black sun.
That soil. Then what is a Rabi crop? Have you any idea?
This one. Rabi crops are the crops which are sowed seeds in the winter season and harvested in March. And winter crops are called Rabi crops.
Can you give us one example?
Yes, ma'am. Wheat are an example of Rabi crop.
Then what do you know about the movement of our earth?
Yes, ma'am. There are two types of movement that the earth does. One is revolution around the sun and one is rotation around its own axis.
What is rotation and what is revolution?